The much-awaited Samsung Galaxy S6 that is scheduled to be unveiled globally on March 1st will make its way to India in the second week of April. While the exact India launch date is yet to be finalized, the sixth-generation smartphone in the Galaxy S series is most likely to be launched in India on the weekend of the second week of April. According to our source, the phone will be up for pre-booking for a couple of weeks starting from March before it hits the Indian market in April. We recently got a look at the first official image of the Galaxy S6 that is rumored to come with a three-sided curved display creating a spill effect. The upcoming Galaxy S6 is expected to come with a 5.1-inch screen, fingerprint sensor, 4 GB of RAM, and a 20-megapixel camera. The phone is likely to be launched in 3 2GB, 6 4GB, and 128GB storage variants. Analysts said Samsung cannot afford another premium smartphone flop after relatively poor sales of current flagship Galaxy S5.